Anka, ini kan mana? I hate you. 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 Anangate, anangate. Hey.
Recording in progress.
Will be counted. If you apply count function here, so select commission from EMP means commission column it is displaying. This commission values will be counted now. If you apply count function, it does not count the nulls. Because of that reason, it is giving 3. Okay, so if I take this according to the salary, if I count here, 2 employees' salaries are nulls. Observe here, David and Siemens salaries values are nulls. So total actually 16 records are there. Maybe it may give 14 salary, 14 only. If I count according to the salary. So select count salary from EMP. Okay, what it is giving, observe here. So 2 values are null. Using column value, you cannot get the number of records. So you can get the column values. To get number of records, what we have to do is, we have to write count of star. What we have to write here? Count of star from EMP. So what it is giving now? Number of records it is giving. So to count the column values, specify the column name. To count the number of records, count of star we have to write. So what is happening here? Listen. The result of select query will be counted here. Result of select query will be counted. See, observe here, select star from EMP we are writing. What it is giving? All 16 rows it is giving. All 16 rows it is giving. So this result will be counted now. So count of star means that's why it is giving 16 here. Okay. For example, I am writing like this. Select 8 from EMP I am writing. What it is returning? 8s it is returning. How many 8s it is returning? 16 8s it is returning. I am writing like this. Select count of 8 from EMP I am writing. What it is giving? 16 it is giving. What it is counting now? It is counting all 8s. How many 8s are there? 16 8s are there. Okay. So the point to understand here is, listen. If our requirement is counting column value, specify the column name. If our requirement is counting number of records, write star or any other number like this, 8 or any number. Okay, find number of employees in organization. This is our requirement. Okay, means what? We have to count the number of records. So to count number of records, what we are writing? Select count of star from EMP. The same thing we can also write as select. Just a minute. Let me write the syntax here. syntax is count of column name we give. Count of column name. Okay, see the examples now. Listen carefully. This is important for interview purpose. This is important. Interviewers may ask like this: what is the difference between count of star and count of any number? Not only 8, any number. I'm taking 8 here. Not only 8, any number. What is the difference between count of star and count of 8? Like this they may ask. So count of star means it counts number of records.
Recording in progress.
So this count of 8 gets executed faster. Count of 8 gets executed faster than count of star. Because of that reason, in the real time, we will not use count of star, count of other any number we use. So count of star gets executed slower when we compare with count of 8. So count of 8 gets executed faster, count of star gets executed slower. Count of star counts the records, count of 8 counts the 8s. And number of 8s returned is equals to number of rows here. Here number of 8s returned here, number of 8s returned here is equals to number of rows. That's why we are getting number of rows here. Even if you write count of star, you are getting number of rows only. Even if you write count of star, you are getting number of rows only. So here number of 8s returned here is number of rows. So those 8s will be counted. Okay, so select query result will be counted. Observe here, select star from EMP means what happens here? Here from the table that has to fetch. Star means what? All columns. Okay, so from the table that has to fetch the data now, on this select query result, we are applying count function. Okay, that result it is counting. Okay, whereas if you write select 8 here, okay, is it fetching data from database? No. Just if 16 records are there, 16 8s it is returning. It is not fetching data from database. So number of 8s returned here is equals to number of rows. So these 8s we want to count now. So what we are writing here? Count of 8. So how many 8s are there? 16 8s. So because of it is not fetching from the database, it gets executed faster. Count of star means because of it is fetching from database, it gets executed slower. That's it. So this is the most common important interview question. What is the difference between count of star and count?
Recording in progress.
That's it. Now my requirement is, I want to find number of employees in department number 30. Now what we have write? Select count of star or any number you can use. So count of 8 from which table? From EMP, where department number equals to 30. So select count of 8 from EMP, where department number equals to 30. In the 30th department, how many employees are there? 6 employees are there. I want to count number of managers. So select count of 8 from EMP, where job equals to manager. It counts number of managers. How many managers are there? 3 managers are there. Okay, find number of managers. So to find number of managers, we are writing like this. So this is the way of using count function. So all aggregate functions are over. So sum function is used to find sum of values of a column. AVG function used to find average value of a set of values. Min function used to find minimum value in the set of values. And max function to find maximum value in a set of values. Count function to count the number of records and to count number of column values. We can use this one. Now, see some more examples. Try to understand here. My requirement is, I want to find second maximum salary. This is my requirement. Find second maximum salary. How to find maximum salary? You know. How to find maximum salary? Select max of salary from EMP. It finds maximum salary. What is our requirement now? We want to find second maximum salary. Let me retrieve the salaries in descending order. Employee number, employee name, salary from EMP.
Recording in progress.
5,750. The second highest salary we want to find. That is our requirement. Okay. So, listen. How to find second maximum salary? Observe, for example, I am writing like this. Select salary from EMP. What it will display now? Entire salary column will be displayed. Okay, I am writing like this, where salary less than. What is the maximum salary? What is the maximum salary? 8,280. So salary less than 8,280 I am giving. Now what it will display? It will display all salaries except maximum salary. It will display all salaries except maximum salary. Among these values, find maximum value. That's it. So if you write like this, it gives all salaries except maximum salary. From this list, find the maximum value. So from this list, if you want to find the maximum value, apply max on this result. So select max of salary again. Select max of salary from EMP, where salary less than, give the maximum salary. What is the maximum salary here? 8,280. 8,280. Observe now, it gives second maximum salary. What is the second maximum salary? 5,750. So what we are doing, when where is executed, it finds all salaries except the highest salary. From that list, it finds the maximum value. That is the second maximum salary. But if we know the maximum salary, directly we can write like this. If we know the maximum salary, directly we can write 8,280. But we don't know the maximum salary. What we have to do? We have to find. Okay, how to find maximum salary? We already know. How to find maximum salary? Select max of salary from EMP. What it is giving? Maximum salary it is giving. So instead of giving 8,280, what we have to write here? Select max of salary from EMP. That's it. Final query I am writing here. Observe. So we want to find second maximum salary. Now you tell me, for example, we are writing like this. Select salary from EMP, where salary less than, assume that if salary, if greatest maximum salary is 8,000, we are writing like this. What it will display now? All salaries except maximum salary. Assume that 8,000 is the maximum salary. If we write like this, it gives all salaries except maximum salary. For example, here salary values are there. I'm taking simple example here, like 7,000, okay, 6,000, 8,000, 4,000. If we write like this, it gives all salary values except maximum salary. Means what it will give now? 7,000, 6,000, 4,000 it gives. So except maximum salary it is giving here. So now all salaries except maximum salary we are getting. All salaries except maximum salary. Now on this apply max function now. In this find the maximum salary. Find maximum salary now. What is the maximum salary in this list? 7,000. So 7,000 is the second maximum. Observe here. So the same thing we are doing. Okay, so select salary from EMP where salary less than 8,000 means it is giving all salaries except maximum salary. So on this we are applying max. It gives second maximum salary. But if we know the maximum salary, directly we can write 8,000. We don't know the maximum salary. We want to find maximum salary. So what we have to write? Select max of salary from EMP. That's it. So this is the way of finding second maximum salary. So this concept we call as subqueries concept. In the subqueries, we are calling this inside query as the inner query. Inside query as the inner query, or you can say this as the subquery. Okay, this outside query I am calling as the outer query or parent query or main query. Okay, so first inner query will be executed here. First, which one will be executed? Inner query will be executed. What inner query is finding? Maximum salary. According to this example, what is the maximum salary? 8,000. Okay, salary less than 8,000 means except maximum salary, remaining salary it is finding now. The result of inner query becomes input for the outer query. So first inner query gets executed. Inner query result will become input for the outer query. So here it is finding salary less than maximum salary. On this it is applying max function. So second maximum salary we are getting. That's it. Okay. So we are writing like this. Select max of salary from EMP where salary less than select max of salary from EMP. So first, which one will be executed? Inner query will be executed here. It finds maximum salary. Salary less than maximum salary means except maximum salary, all salaries will be retrieved. In that it finds the maximum value, that is the second maximum salary. Okay, is it clear? Next. Now my requirement is, I want to find the employee name. Find the employee name who is earning maximum salary. Find the employee name who is earning maximum salary. This is our requirement. So, in this example, who is earning maximum salary? Observe here, the salaries are in descending order. Who is earning maximum salary? Martin. That one we want to find. What is the maximum salary value? 8,280. Okay. So, for example, I am writing like this. Select. We want to find what? Employee name. From which table? EMP table. Where salary equals to, if we know the maximum salary, directly we can write 8,280. Like this. So, who is earning 8,280 amount? Martin. So, if we know the maximum salary, directly we can write. But now, we don't know maximum salary. If we don't know the maximum salary, what we have to do? We have to find that one. To find maximum salary, what we are writing? Select max of salary from EMP. So, first inner query will be executed. Inner query is returning what? 8,280. First inner query will be executed. Inner query is returning what? 8,280. This will become input for the outer query. So whose salary is 8,280, it will check that employee name will be displayed. Okay, so like this we can find the employee name who is earning maximum salary. So who is earning maximum salary? Martin. In the same way, we want to find what is the second maximum salary here? 5,750. Who is earning that one? King. I want to find the employee name who is earning second maximum salary. That is our requirement. Okay. So see here, we are writing like this. Select employee name from EMP, where salary equals to, what is the second maximum salary here? 5,750. If we know the second maximum salary, directly we can write King is earning second maximum salary. Okay, but we don't know the second maximum salary, we have to find. Just now we found second maximum salary. That second maximum salary query, this second maximum salary query, we have to write in place of 5,750. Okay. So find the employee name who is earning maximum salary means what we are writing? Select e-name from EMP, where salary equals to, we don't know the maximum salary, so we are finding maximum salary here. Select max of salary from EMP. So first it finds maximum salary. Who is earning maximum salary? That employee name will be displayed. Next, find the employee name. Find the employee name who is earning second maximum salary. Okay, we want to find the employee name who is earning second maximum salary. This is our requirement. Okay, so select e-name from EMP, where salary equals to, if we know the second maximum salary, directly we can write like this. We don't know the second maximum salary, we are finding. How to find second maximum salary? Select max of salary from EMP, where salary less than, select max of salary from EMP. That's it. So this is the query we need to write. So what happens here? Observe. Here 3 select queries are there. Observe. Okay, so 3 select queries are there. First innermost query will be executed. This is finding the maximum salary. Okay, salary less than maximum salary means except maximum salary, all salaries will be retrieved. From that, it finds the maximum salary. So till this query, it finds the second maximum salary. For example, I am taking 5,000. So now what is the query now? Select e-name from EMP, where salary equals to 5,000. The employee whose salary is 5,000, his name will be displayed. This is the execution process. Okay, once again I am repeating. First innermost query will be executed. What innermost query is finding? Maximum salary. Okay, this will become input for this outer query. Salary less than 8,000 means except maximum salary, remaining salaries will be selected. From that it is finding the maximum salary. So it is finding the second maximum salary. Second maximum salary is what now? 5,000. Okay, so now this 5,000 will become input for this outer query. So where salary equals to 5,000, the employee who is earning 5,000, his name will be displayed. So, did you understand this? So, like this, we can find second maximum salary, the employee who is earning second maximum salary, like this we can find. You try this, find second minimum salary, find third maximum salary, okay, and find second minimum salary. You try this. Find second minimum salary. Okay, then find the employee name who is earning minimum salary. Who is earning minimum salary. You try all this. So find employee name who is earning second minimum salary. Okay. find the employee name who is earning third maximum salary. Okay, you try on your own. Okay, you try this. So these queries are available in the notes. The notes you can check. Okay, first try on your own. If you are not getting idea, you can refer the notes. So like this, we can use the aggregate functions. Aggregate functions topic is over. Next category is math functions. Math functions can be also called as number functions. So many math functions are there, like SQRT function, power function, okay, sine function, cos function, tan function, APS function, okay, like this sine function, mod function, okay, seal function, floor function, seal floor, trunk function, okay, round function. So these are the important, among these, last four are very important. Last four, sometimes mod is also useful. Last five are important. Okay, remaining all are not that much important. Okay, but I will explain quickly. See here. You can guess with function name, you can guess. SQRT function. Why we are using SQRT function? Use it to find square root value. So to find square root value, we use it. What is the syntax here? Syntax is SQRT of pass a number. For example, we are writing SQRT of 100. What is the square root of 100 value? 10. It returns 10. For example, we are writing SQRT of 81. What is square root of 81 value? 9. Like this. We can use SQRT function. Next function. Next, power function. Power function is used to find power values. The syntax is power of, pass a number, first argument number, second argument power. Number and power we are passing. For example, we are writing like this, power of 2 square. 2 square value is what? 4. Power of 5 cube. 5 cube value is 5,3, 125, like this. So to find the power values, we are using power function. To find the square root values, SQRT function. Next, sine, cos, tan functions. Sine function, trigonometric functions. Use it to find sine values. Syntax is sine of angle we specify. Sine of, specify the angle. Next, cos function. Cos function is used to find cosine values. Cos function is used to find cosine values. And next, tan function is used to find tangent values. Tan function is used to find tangent values. So these are the trigonometric functions, not that much important, but it is providing. Okay, so now see, here we must specify angle in the form of radians. Specify angle in the form of radians. So if you want to specify angle in the form of radians, So sine function is used to find sine values, cos function for cosine values we use it, tan function for tangent values we use it. Syntaxes are same. So but we have to specify the angle in the form of radians. If you want to find sine 90, 90 is degrees value, convert it to the radians. So multiply it with pi by 180, pi value 3.14. Okay, so 3.14 by 180. So if you want to find cos 0 value, right, cos 0 into 3.14 by 180. If you want to find tan 45 value, tan 45 into 3.14 by 180. So like this we can use sine, cos, tan functions, trigonometric functions. Next, ABS function. ABS function is used to get absolute value. Absolute value means is it to get absolute value. Absolute value means absolute value means non-negative value. Absolute value means non-negative value. For example, we are writing like this: select ABS of, we pass one number. Some examples I am giving here. ABS of 15 I am giving. Is 15 positive value? Yes, it returns positive value. For example, ABS of I am giving minus 15. Minus 15, which type value? Positive or negative? Even if we pass negative, it returns positive only. ABS function always returns positive. ABS function always returns positive. Absolute value means non-negative. So it always returns positive value only. If we give positive value, it returns positive value. If we give negative value, then also it will give positive value. To get absolute value, we use it. Next function, sine function. Sine function is used to know the sine of a number. Used to know sine of a number. So it can be used to check whether a number is positive or negative or zero. To check sign of a number, we use it. It can be used to check whether a number is positive or negative or zero. For example, we are giving like this. Syntax is sign of, we specify the number here. Sign of, we specify the number. Some examples I am giving. Observe. Sign of 20 I am giving. Is it positive or negative? Positive. If positive, this function returns 1. It is returning 1 means positive. Sign of minus 20 I am giving. Is it positive or negative? It returns minus 1. Sign of, is it positive or negative or 0? It returns 0. If we give positive value here, it returns 1. If we give negative value, it returns minus 1. If we give value 0, it returns 0. So if function is returning 1 means you can understand that positive. If function is returning minus 1 means you can understand that negative. If function is returning 0 means you can understand that that number is 0. Like this we can check the sign of the number. Next, mod function. Mod function. This mod function is used to get remainder value. In CR Java, to get the remainder value, modulus operator is there. Here modulus operator is not available, mod function is there. Mod function we have to use. Mod of, give the number and divisor. Number and divisor we pass. Number and divisor. We are writing mod of 5, 2. 2 2 is 4, remainder is 1.
Recording in progress.
Anyway, what it returns? 10 it returns. power of 2 comma 3 I'm giving. What it returns? 8. See here, 10 and 8 are written. Square root of 100 value 10. 2 cube value 8. Okay, next select sine function I'm using. Sine of 20 comma sine of minus 20 comma sine of 0 I'm giving from dual. Observe here. Sorry, spelling mistake is there. Okay, so 20 first value is 20 we are passing. What it is returning? 1. 1 means positive. Minus 20 we are passing. What it is returning? Minus 1. So it is negative. 0 we are passing. What it is returning? 0. If function is returning 0, that is 0. If function is returning minus 1, number is minus 1. The number is negative. If the function is returning 1, number is positive. So like this we can use sine function. So next select mod of 5 comma 2. Okay, mod of 20 comma 7 from dual. Observe here. Okay, mod 5 comma 2 value 1, remainder is 1. 2 to the 4, remainder 1. 20 comma 7, 7 to the 14, remainder 6. Like this we can get remainder values by using mod function. Next, sine 90 value I want to find. Sine 90 into 3.14 by 180. Okay, cos 0 I want to find. Cos 0 into 3.14 by 180 from dual. Observe here. So sine 90 value, sine cos 0 value, it is displayed. So like this we can use sine cos trigonometric functions. Okay, next. Now you know absolute function. Next, absolute function. Select ABS of, I am giving 15 here. ABS of minus 15 I am giving from dual. Okay, what it gives? 15, 15. If we pass positive value, it is giving positive value. If we pass negative value, then also it is giving positive value. Okay, absolute means non-negative. Always it gives positive. So now, see here. You know SQRT function, power function, sine, cos, tan, ABS, sine, mod. These functions you know. Next, these last 4 functions are important. Listen. Seal function. Seal, floor, trunk, round we are discussing now. Seal function. So, the seal function is used to get upper integer value. So to get upper integer value, we use seal function. Floor function is used to get lower integer value. The names are giving the meanings. Seal. Seal means stop. Seal, ceiling, seal. Seal means stop. Floor, lower. Seal means upper. Okay, floor means lower. To get upper integer value, we are using seal. To get lower integer value, we are using floor. Okay, so see the syntax. Syntax is seal of, we pass one number. Only one argument we pass. For seal function, we pass only one argument. Observe here examples. For example, we are writing like this. Seal of 123.567 we are giving. Okay. So now this 123.567 falls under which numbers? 123 and 124. This number is falling between 123 and 124. Which one is the upper value here? Upper value is 124. So that's why it returns 124. Upper integer value it gives. Okay. For example, I am writing like this. Seal of 756.2389 I am giving. Okay. What it gives now? 757. Seal function always gives upper value. Why it is giving 757 here? This number falls between 756 and 757. So seal function always gives upper value. So it is returning upper value here. Returns 757. That's it. Next. The same examples I am taking for floor. The same examples I'm taking for floor here. Okay, observe syntax is floor of number. We pass one argument only. Here instead of using seal, we are calling floor. Floor function 123.567 falling under 123 and 124. Because of floor, it always returns lower integer value. So what it returns? 123. Okay, here 756.2389 falls between 756 and 757. What is the lower value here? 756. So floor function always returns lower value. Seal function always returns upper value. To get upper integer value, we use seal. To get lower integer value, floor. The names are giving the meanings here. The seal and floor functions returns integers only. We get integer part only. Observe here. Select of seal of 289.5678. I'm giving from dual. What it gives now? Seal means upper value 290. 290 it is giving. It is falling between 289 and 290. So 290 it is giving. Okay. So for example, I am using floor function here. What it gives now? 289. See. So floor function always gives lower value, lower integer value. Seal function always gives upper integer value. That's it. So next, remaining two functions are there. Those are trunc function and round function. These are important. We need to spend some time on these two functions. So on Monday, I continue with trunc and round functions. Okay. Thank you everyone. See you on Monday.
Ahí llega a andar.